In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use link settings in Hootsuite Composer. This is an essential skill for anyone looking to optimize their social media strategy, ensuring that your links are both effective and trackable. Let's dive right into it. First, you'll want to log into your Hootsuite dashboard. This is your central hub for managing all your social media posts. Once you're in, it's time to create a new post. Look towards the top of your screen and click on Create. From the drop-down, select Post to open up the Composer, which is where the magic happens. Next, you'll need to select the social profiles where you'd like to publish your content. Hootsuite supports a wide range of platforms, so make sure you choose the right ones to align with your target audience. This selection step is crucial as it dictates where your message will be seen and engaged with the most. Once you've chosen your social profiles, paste your desired URL directly into the post body within the Composer. Make sure you're using the correct link to lead your audience to your intended destination, whether it's a blog post, product page, or an event registration form. As soon as you enter your URL, Hootsuite will take a moment to work its magic. It will automatically detect the link and, if supported by the platform, generate a preview. This preview gives your audience a glimpse of what they'll find when they click through, adding an element of enticement and context to your message. Now let's talk about link shortening and tracking. Underneath the text box, you'll find options for available link shorteners like o.ly or bit.la. Choosing the right shortener is not just about aesthetics. It also provides crucial data insights. You can add tracking parameters to your links, which is invaluable for measuring engagement and ROI from your social media endeavors. A noteworthy tip: if you're posting on LinkedIn or Facebook pages, you have the ability to customize the link preview image and description. This customization allows you to control the narrative and ensure the most visually appealing representation of your content. Finally, you have the flexibility to apply default or custom link settings. Whether you're sticking with standard defaults or have specific presets tailored for particular campaigns, make sure to review these options. They can significantly impact how your audience interacts with the content you share. By following these steps, you'll have not only shared a link but strategically optimized it, taking full advantage of Hootsuite Composer's powerful features. Whether you're aiming to boost brand visibility or track user engagement, mastering these link settings will enhance your social media strategy's effectiveness. Thank you for watching, and I hope this guide helps you maximize your social sharing capabilities on Hootsuite.